top news headlines. Manipur Governor LAKSMIBAI inaugurated Ayurveda Parv at City Convention Centre. RIMS Director Dr. A. Santa said patient satisfaction with their treatment is doctors' priority. STDCM staged a sit-in protest at WANGKHEMCHA today. And India records 6,093 fresh COVID cases along with 31 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Good evening, you're watching PONYTV Primetime English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSMIBAI. Now the news in details. Governor of Manipur LAKSMIBAI inaugurated a 3-day Ayurvedic Mela Ayurveda Parv at City Convention Centre in Imphal today. In the Mela, organized by Vinova Seva Pratisthan under the sponsorship of Ministry of Ayush, Government of India services like free doctors consultation, free medicine, free yoga training and Ayush exhibition were available. MLA Thangzam Arun Kumar, DM University VC Professor and Raj Mohan Singh, Ayush Director, Dr. A. Guneshwar Sarma and students attended the inaugural session. Speaking at the inaugural session, the governor said the concepts and principles of Ayurveda put emphasis on holistic development of people. He said it is considered to be the most effective ways to treat a wide range of ailments and live a healthy lifestyle. The primary objective of Ayurveda is to seek a balance between body, mind and spirit. Ayurveda recognizes 3 fundamental forms of subtle energy as Vasta, Pitta and Kapha. These principles are present in every person but can be different in levels as per the basic biology of their body. It guides the people regarding food and lifestyles so that people can stay healthy. He further said that Ayurveda is believed to be the oldest healing system that was originated in India from the ancient Vedic times, and this traditional system has been practiced by scholars and disciples for over 5,000 years ago. He said we should try to recognize and follow the system. Director General of Central Council of Research in Ayurveda Sciences, Professor Dr. Ravinarayan Acharya also spoke on the importance of Ayurveda for healthy living and urged people to aware the benefits of Ayurveda in maintaining a disease-free, healthy society. PAC and Pain Management Clinic Department of Anesthesiology elevator near of Complex Utility Block and Departmental Store of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal inaugurated today. The inauguration ceremony was attended by RIMS Director Dr. A. Santa, RIMS Medical Superintendent Dr. N. Sanjeev and other staffs of the hospital. Speaking at the ceremony, Dr. A. Santa said that doctors' priority is patients' satisfaction on their treatment, and with this upgrade, patients will get extra facilities. He claimed that because the new technology is centralized, it will survive for a longer time and be simpler for patients to use. Citing that all the classroom and RIMS have upgraded to AC room, he said that the ICU of Medicine Department and COVID Care Center will soon be opened. As part of the ongoing agitation demanding the inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in Scheduled Tribe list of India, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur STDCM staged a sit-in protest at WANGKHEMCHA today. Langsing Western Star Club, Langsing Women Welfare Association, Merapaibi also participated in the protest. Speaking at the protest, General Secretary of STDCM, K. Bogendrajit, urged the state government to take appropriate action respecting the public's peaceful democratic approach. A team of Special Commando Unit Khabaisoi apprehended an active cadre of proscribed UNLF yesterday from Lamlong. Acting on a specific information from Fort Assam Rifle regarding presence of one suspected person at the area of Lamlong in front of Babu Hotel at around 11:30 p.m. yesterday, a team of Special Commando Unit Kabesoi led OC L. Bebekananda along with HC Omega Mete under supervision of SP Railways in charge Special Commando Unit Kabesoi TH Krishnatombi Singh rushed to the said area and conducted search operation at the area of Lamlong in front of Babu Hotel. During the search operation, one unknown person was detained who identified himself as Ngangom Santa, alias Michael Mete, aged about 44, son of late Ngangom Krishna Mete of Lausangkhong, Awanglekai, Imphal East. On further questioning, the detainee stated that he is an active cadre of the outfit UNLF organization and he joined UNLF in the year 2018 through one Mr. Ranjit Singh of UNLF. The arrested person has been handed over to Lamlai Police Station for further necessary legal action against him. Now, let's take a short break. Keep watching.
DS Enterprises Kashamthongna organized over Manga Suba Langbal Kekil. Nakadol September gi tang taraga tagi October gi tang taraga ni thoi phawma palace compound na leiba hapta kangjebung da pangthok sargani
Langbal Kaithil asida Manipur da leiba furup khudingmakki cultural item amadi store sin thongbigani
Mangarak suba Langbal Kaithil asida national amadi international gi oiba
Nipal Tangana Pangthokpa festival amani festival asida gambling item amati yawjaroi handloom handicraft amadi disabled singi oina Soul 20 khudong tawa thamjai
tongan musical event rock show Manipuri matam isai loinana with the star dance competition amadi fashion event kaya su Langbal Kaithil uba khongbigani
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaithil
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaithil
Welcome. After the break, you're watching PONYTV Primetime English News at 6:30. District Health Society None observed World Hepatitis Day 2022 under the theme Bringing Care Closer to You, Hepatitis Can't Wait as a part of 75th years of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at the conference hall of CMO's office None today. The program, which was moderated by District Program Manager R.K. Bizeta, was attended by Chief Medical Officer None, Dr. Jet Kamei, DPO, NVB DCP None, Dr. Gairan Lung Thaime, and District Nodal Officer of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program NVHCP None, Dr. Adim Gangmei, nurses, ASHA facilitators, and staffs of Block Program Management Unit. Addressing at the program, Dr. Adim Gangmei mentioned about the root causes of hepatitis B infection, its signs and symptoms. He also talks about the management and awareness of the dreaded diseases. Assam police seized 2 fake Indian currency notes making machines and fake currency notes and apprehended 4 persons in 2 separate operations in Nagaon and Hosai districts. Based on secret information, a police team of Kachua Police Station and Nagaon district yesterday launched an operation in the Kachua area. During the operation, police recovered and seized 1 FICN making machine, 103 numbers FICN of Rs 500 denomination, 6 numbers, Rs 500 notes, 1 bundle of A4 size paper, 1 motorcycle, and 3 mobile phone handsets from 3 persons who have been identified as Jalaluddin, age 35, from Hatikuti, Kachua, R. Banlalwati, age 42, and Joram Chani, age 40, both from Ramlum, Vangthar to Aizawl of Mizoram. On the other hand, police also arrested a person along with fake currency notes in the Dovoka, Mikirati area and the Hosai district. The arrested person was identified as Abdul Jalil. Chairman of University Grand Commission informed that the National Testing Agency will announce the result of the Common University Entrance Test undergraduate CUET UZ 2022 exam by September 15 and asked all participating universities to keep their web portals ready to start the UZ admission process based on CUET UZ score. The debut edition of the CUET UZ was begun in July and concluded on August 30. Meanwhile, the CUET has also released the answer key for the exam. Ahead of India's upcoming G20 presidency, International Monetary Fund (IMF) Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for a great meeting and congratulated on India's strong economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. The IMF chief also applauded the incredible success of the digitalization of India during the talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and assured full support for India to protect macroeconomic and financial stability, and also counted on India's strong leadership to further strengthen a strong multilateral system and advance IMF reforms. The managing director of IMF, Kristalina Georgieva, also met Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to discuss India's upcoming G20 presidency and IMF's support for it. During the meeting, Mrs. Sitharaman and IMF Managing Director shared concerns on key downside risks to the global economy and the cross-border effects due to the geographical situation and tighter financial conditions. India recorded a total of 6,093 fresh COVID cases along with 31 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,44,84,729. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, the total death toll in India stands at 5,28,121. Taking Delhi positivity rate at 1.93%, the total active cases has declined to 49,636 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.70% as per the data. According to the Union Health Ministry, 214.55 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we end, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Manipur Governor LAKSMIBAI inaugurated Ayurveda Parv at City Convention Center. RIMS Director Dr. A. Santos said patient satisfaction with their treatment is doctor's priority. STDCM staged a sit-in protest at Langjing Atoba Kaitel today. And India records 6,093 fresh COVID cases along with 31 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching PONYTV. For more updates, keep watching PONYTV and stay tuned.